roadside assistance.
Okay, here are those two. So as you can see, there's the black one that I got first back in 2020, and then here's the yellow one that I got. Now that one, I got that at Value Village back in February, so I've had this thing for months now. But the black one I got that one at Goodwill back in 2020, so it was around November at that time. But as you guys remember my first video, when I got it, the light bulb for the right headlight was out and the motor wasn't going strong. And not only that though, there was a wire off of the switch, but everything worked fine though. Until one day, actually a few weeks after I got it, it started showing weakness and stuff, and I really did not want to mess with it or anything, so I left it the way it was. So yeah, so therefore the black one's not gonna be in use anymore. But the yellow one I got back in February, now that one works the best. I didn't have to do anything to it. It works flawlessly, 100% working motor and everything. So that's all I really have to say. But about the black tow truck, when you think about it, sometimes it does go fast and sometimes it doesn't go fast. But I'll show you the black one on brand new batteries. So here we go. Here it is on brand new batteries. See, as I said in my video, sometimes it does go fast and sometimes it doesn't go that fast. It's just showing weakness on the components, that's all it is really. But I honestly don't have time to like mess with the thing because I seriously don't have any experiences with the components or anything. Other than sometimes I do, but just other than just replacing the bulbs, motor, and speaker, and yeah. But overall, the components is something that I don't really want to mess around with, even though I did had something to do with the components on my Road Rippers Turbo Wheelie Chevy Corvette, if you guys saw my second one. So yeah, otherwise though, everything works still.
Let's move it out. You can't beat roadside assistance.
If you want to check out more of my content, please hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications to get the latest updated content and stuff from my YouTube channel. So, see you there!